I'm outside of a house in Denver that we just bought last week. The homeowner did not believe we could get what we said we could get for it after we fixed it up. So instead of taking our offer to do the fix and list, this homeowner has chose to sell to us for cash, so we bought it. We're gonna put new siding on. We're gonna put new roof. The old owner did a lot of the work for us. I mean, it's got new windows already, so we don't have to do that. He put this beautiful 2-car garage in back. I don't know if you can see it over the dumpster or not, but so there used to be a 1-car garage here that he filled in. And because we're doing new siding, we'll side straight over that, so you can't even tell the difference. It won't look like it was a garage that was converted. Anyway, this last homeowner put in this beautiful kitchen, new granite and countertops already, so we don't have to touch that. Because of that, we have to do different colors than normal. Instead of doing the modern gray look, we've got to keep more of a beige to things. They did all the hard part for this master bath. I mean, all we gotta do is the floor, toilet, vanity, put a door in this closet and it will be ready. But we'll finish off this master suite so it's done the rest of the way. Here we're gonna get rid of this carpet. We're gonna put a nice new laminate floor. Not the kind we normally use because we have to match the colors that are already here with this kitchen. He redid this bath. So we don't need to redo the bath. It already has a new vanity, new tile flooring, new tub. This is one of the most major things we're gonna do inside the house. They have the washer dryer hookups in this closet. There was no washer dryer. They moved it to this closet. So again, they did the hard part. We already have the 220 volts. We just need to relocate the power and the vent and the water over to here. So this is gonna get widened, this door, so it's 30 inches. We'll stack those here and here. We'll vent it up through the roof. Got the attic space here to access to easily get there. This will turn back to a regular closet. And now we can get rid of this door that has like a second closet, living closet out to the living room. So when you look at this layout, we've got a decent sized living room, a space to the dining room, but it's already pretty tight. There's no way we can have this closet door swinging in. People are probably gonna wanna put like a L-shaped couch kind of deal here. And so we're gonna close that off and they'll have no linen closet, but they'll have a normal washer dryer situation. So I will show that again to you when it's done. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.